Understanding chest burn, an English phrase explained. Hello, and welcome to our English learning series. Today, we're going to delve into a common phrase that can be confusing for English learners: chest burn. This phrase is used to describe a specific sensation that can be both uncomfortable and common. We'll explore what it means, how to use it in conversation, and some related terms you might encounter. So, let's get started. Chest burn refers to a burning sensation that one may feel in the area around the heart or behind the breastbone. This sensation is often related to digestive issues, like acid reflux or heartburn, where stomach acid irritates the lining of the esophagus. It's a term often used in everyday conversation, especially in contexts related to health and well-being. You might use the phrase chest burn when describing symptoms you're experiencing to a doctor or when talking about the effects of certain foods or activities. For example, I often get a chest burn after eating spicy food. She complained of a chest burn during the hike. We think it was the exercise-induced heartburn. This phrase is generally not used in formal medical terminology but is understood by most native speakers in informal contexts. Understanding chest burn can also help you understand related terms such as heartburn, a more common term that describes a burning pain in the chest, often occurring after eating. Acid reflux, a medical condition that causes stomach acid to flow back into the esophagus, leading to a burning sensation. GERD stands for gastroesophageal reflux disease, a chronic form of acid reflux. I hope this explanation clears up any confusion about the phrase chest burn. Remember, while chest burn is a commonly understood term, if you're experiencing this symptom, it's important to speak to a healthcare professional for proper advice and treatment. We hope you found this video helpful in your English language learning journey. Until next time, keep practicing, and don't let that English learning burn out. Remember to like, share, and subscribe for more English language tips. See you in the next video.